Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fat Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. Up first today is the great outdoors. We are getting to that time of camping and outdoorsiness. Isn't it great? Look at these plaids. How amazing are those plaids? They're just good. Okay, so this is Stacy issue for Moda. And then we have Botanical Garden. Yes, wildflowers, please. I'm a big fan of those. I may or may not have been the one who decided to buy them. Then we have Chelsea Garden by Moda. Look at these 5 bolts. Are they not stunning? I think they're stunning. Then we have Feed My Soul by Sandy Gervais for Riley Blake. We have the pre-cuts of those on. I think maybe there's 1 or 2 left, but I can't totally remember. So check the link. Then, Man Cave. Gotta love it. Guitars, sports stuff, beard things, tools. That covers a lot of man things. Working out, right? I think so. All right, then the coveted Bengals Fabric. We got more, although, you know, a lot of people have been buying this today already. So, you know, get yours soon. Okay, so we have a show on Sunday at 3 p.m., the Fab Stash show. A question for that is... Oh, shoot. I didn't think of a question beforehand. Caleb always reminds me of that. And Caleb's not filming today. You can say hi to Trinity, though. Say hi, Trin. Hi. Okay. The question is going to be, do you put eggs out for Easter? And if so, do you do it inside or outside? Let us know in the comments, and you'll be entered to win the gift, one of the gifts on Sunday. All right. Until next time, happy quilting. Bye.